Happy holidays from the Tile Happy Hour. It has been a great inaugural year. I hope you're enjoying your family throughout this season, and we are excited about 2024. Right, John?
Yeah, Craig, we are. So this is John Tedisco's, my cohort here, Craig Cahoon, wishing you happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas. New Year's is coming up, and we're really excited about 2024. But we don't want 2023 to end without saying thank you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being on our show. Thanks for watching and sharing. And we're really looking forward. Craig, we have some really cool guests coming up. You know that, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's going to be a good year. And so once again, happy holidays from the Tile Happy Hour. I'd like to wish you peace, health, and happiness.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tell all your friends about it. Next year, 2024, is going to be an exciting year in the tile and stone industry, and we're going to cover it all.
Yes, we are.